My name is Abhishek Singh, and I head the passives and product initiatives for ADITYA BIRLA Sun Life Mutual Fund. Today we are going to be talking about ADITYA BIRLA Sun Life NASDAQ 100 FOF. This FOF scheme is a fund of fund scheme that is investing in international markets in the NASDAQ 100 companies, the top 100 companies listed on NASDAQ exchange through another ETF listed in the global markets. The idea of investing in ADITYA BIRLA Sun Life NASDAQ 100 FOF is to gain access to the top innovation companies in the world. Over the last many years, the NASDAQ 100 has been known as an innovator index. This index has been home to companies which have been multi-baggers, but it them being large caps. These companies have been some of the best performing companies across the globe and across time frames. Over the last many years, these companies are synonymous with path-breaking and disruptive innovations. Every day we deal with stuff like Apple products, Facebook, Google, Tesla is the talk of the town, and all these brands you find in one index, which is NASDAQ 100. The objective is to gain access to a long-term wealth creator through a simple product like a fund of fund. You do not have to open any separate accounts. You do not have to do anything else. Just invest in a normal India mutual fund scheme like this fund of fund and gain access to the top 100 wealth creators in the world. As a fund of fund scheme investing in international markets, this fund will be taxed at the rate of 10% for holdings above 3 years only, which is non-equity taxation in India. For investments up to 3 years, you will be charged a maximum marginal rate of tax, and is similar to the debt taxation in India. For long-term capital gains tax benefit of 10% or better, or indexation benefit, it will need to be a 3-year holding or higher. This fund is suitable for all investors who are conversant with international markets, investors who seek to have international exposure to their portfolios, allocations to their portfolios, and any investor who wants to add innovation component to their portfolios. Given the fact that NASDAQ 100 is home to global innovation, from a long-term perspective, one could look at 10 to 15% of allocation of their portfolios to this. In summary, we know that international investing adds to diversification and hence improves the overall performance of your portfolio. Having a long-term performer like a NASDAQ 100 is very apt for your portfolio. Small but a meaningful exposure to NASDAQ can add innovation to your portfolio, bring about better returns at much lower risk. Being an FOF, it is extremely suitable because it is transparent, low cost, and a simple design. This fund gives you access to international long-term performers, businesses which are not available in India, but whose products you are using almost every day in your day-to-day life, be it media, be it automobiles, be it even chatting, food, healthcare, anything at all. But the fact is, you need innovation, you need constant change, and you need disruption in business to create wealth for you. International exposure does just that, and NASDAQ 100 is the most suitable vehicle for your portfolio. The NFO will be opening on the 15th of October and closing on the 29th of October of 2021. It's available on the Groww platform. In the meanwhile, I wish you and your family to be safe and healthy, and don't forget to complete your vaccinations as soon as possible. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Please read the risk disclosure documents carefully before investing in equity shares, derivatives, mutual fund, and or other instruments traded on the stock exchanges.